Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys my flawless foundation routine. Honestly, it's gonna be super easy, basic as hell, but I wanted to show you guys because this is the foundation routine I've been using most of this summer when I've been like putting on makeup. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. I'm moisturizing with my Pond's. Guys, like, Pond's is the truth, because when I tell you guys, my face is so dry, but when I put this Pond's on, it has my skin like amazing. Okay, so lately what I've been doing to get my flawless skin, so the look is not gonna be matte, but I have been using this Milani Make It Last matte. So I spray this on my skin first. So I've been spraying this not for every look, but when I want to do like a flawless face look and like the eyes are just like blank and it's just mainly about my face, I do this. So I take my Milani Make It Last. It is a setting spray. You want to shake it really well before you use it, and then I spray this all over my skin, and it smells so good. Like, that's one setting spray that smells so damn good. Just go in with my foundation on my skin. So today I'm gonna be using my Milani Conceal Perfect foundation and tan. Then I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. So the first foundation, the Milani foundation, is kind of my skin color, but it's a little darker. And then the Fenty foundation is not, it's like somewhat of my color, but it's a little light, if that makes sense. So I have to mix them to make them work. So and then I'm gonna just take my beauty blender and just start blending that out. Lately I've been using Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This concealer has been out like forever. So I'm gonna just take some and do a triangle. It is creamy, so I give it that. This concealer is definitely creamy. Radiant, I've been using it for a minute. I can't say I guess it is Radiant because it's the only concealer I've been using. Okay, and then you want to take your cream concealer. This one, so this was my LA Pro Girl one. I've been using this one forever, of course. It's in the shade Espresso. So how I use it, I take it, so you want to like squeeze the product, and I put it on the back of my hand. I like to do this just to like warm it up, and I also mix it on my foundation a little bit so it can kind of lighten it up a little bit. And then boop, you just do your little dash marks. So I'm just put it everywhere where I want to bronze or contour on my face. Okay, and then I like to get really up close to my nose. So with my nose, I start from right here, like underneath my eyebrow, and then I just make my way down the bridge of my nose. So one more time. Start right here, start underneath the front of my eyebrow, and then drag the concealer down the bridge of my nose. And then I do this little thing where I take the ends of it and kind of like boop, boop. That way I can have like a button effect of a nose. And then you also can, this is optional if you want that powder underneath your lip. Take your concealer, just like that. once you've done that, the concealer, our highlight has been sitting on our skin, so you're actually gonna get that nice full coverage. So I'm gonna start off with the forehead, and I'm gonna just blend that out. So I like to take this crown brush, and it's like a little flat brush, and I like to take it to contour my nose and also blend in my nose. So you're actually gonna see what I'm talking about. So you guys can see. So I'm actually gonna just start off at the, like where I put it at the very top of my eyebrows, and I'm going to start blending out towards my brow tail. Gotta get really close. And I just do a soft blend. I just do it really soft. And the reason why I do it like that, because that it looks more natural, like it's actually my actual shape of my nose. So and then now I'm gonna just blend that contour out. This pink Morphe brush. So now it's time to set. So guys, I'm gonna use the same setting powder I used in my last video, that Hourglass Veil Transfer Powder. Definitely this powder have changed my skin. Like this is like literally what helped me become flawless, honestly guys. So I definitely say check this out. It is quite expensive, but guys, it works so well. So yes. So before we do that, I'm actually going to, you hear what I'm doing? I'm shaking that setting spray we used before. I'm actually about to spray probably like 3. I'm gonna do 3 and then take my beauty blender and pat it in. I've been doing this and it's been helping with my flawless foundation routine. All right, I know I said 3. That was more than 3, but it's okay. So like I said, take my beauty blender and just pounce. I've really been loving applying my powder with a brush. So I've actually been using this Luxie tapered highlight brush to apply my powders, and they've been coming out really well. Before you even set that bad boy, you want to make sure them creases are invisible. And honestly guys, if you have creases, you are gonna always have creases. Like, I'm sorry, they try to tell us, oh no, like make sure you set the creases really well. If you crease, you're gonna crease. Like, it is what it is. Like, you can try, you can like do these steps to like make it not as noticeable, but if you crease, baby, you're a creaser and you're just gonna keep creasing. Just take this brush and set my face. You see how I'm like dragging? I'm like pressing that. I've been doing it this way. It's been really like helping. Like, I don't know if the brush is making it flawless or like, I don't know what is it. I don't know what it is. Just go in the middle. You see I'm just like turning that because it's like already product on here. All right, so before we even like jump over to the next eye, it's not a crucial step, but I've been noticing a difference when I do this step in my routine. So actually I'm taking like this dome round brush, you see? So I'm taking this L'Oreal face powder, and guys, when I say I'm like literally, like it's nothing left in here, but I'm gonna like try to swirl as much as I possibly can. And like, I'm not even like worrying about this product on here. And then I'm gonna take that, and this has been helping me tremendously. And I'm going to press that in that translucent powder all into my skin. Like, you see, I'm not wiping, I'm like pressing. So I just press that. And it also like helps with that ghost effect, so I won't look as ghostly, you know? Okay, you see? And I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can actually see like how flawless, like it's minimum to no texture. It's so good. So we're almost done. It is our time to bronze up the skin, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna head in with that pretty Vulgar bronzer, the same bronzer from my last video. I'll show you guys again. So this is what it looks like. I've been loving this bronzer just because I feel like it's like the perfect color for my skin tone. Okay, you see I'm just doing like little tapping motions. And we are setting that contour, that cream contour. So just make sure you do like pressing or tapping or stamping motions. It's a lot more, it just helps apply a lot better. And then we're gonna go in with that Cover FX palette as well, and with that shade Shadow. And I'm just doing tapping motions. And honestly, just be really, you just wanna be really, really careful with that one. Because this one is like really intense. Like I'm gonna have to fix this. Oh, oh! I snatched this nose, man. Oh, shit. So for blush, I am gonna go in with everybody's favorite. It is called Milani Luminoso. Woo! So I'm gonna go in with Luminoso and my blush brush. And I'm gonna smile. And I'm gonna go in, so. All right, so I'm gonna take a little more blush, and lately I've been putting it on my nose, and it makes you look really like angelic and cute, so I've been loving that. But I'm actually going to be using a different product, so I'm going to be using Artist Contour, and it is the highlighter in Purple Dream. So it is the Diamond Glow Powder. I am going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. So I'm going to take some, I'm going to just like, I'm going to have like purple reflexes. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Alright, so I'm just put a little bit. I'm gonna go in with Rihanna's Me, Money, and Hustler Baby. And I'm gonna go in with Hustler Baby. And I'm gonna just go in with a little bit and just try to pop this right on top and just see if it do anything. Okay, so yeah, it did. Okay. Yeah, it did. Just pop some highlight on my brow bone and in the corner, and we'll be done. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my flawless foundation routine. And yeah, like, give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. And I'll see you next time. Bye.